In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Arabic in Adobe Acrobat. This guide will walk you through everything you need to effectively use Arabic script in your documents. Let's get right into it. First things first, ensure that Arabic fonts are installed on your computer. These can include popular options like Arial, Times New Roman, or traditional Arabic, which are known to support Arabic script accurately. It's vital to have the correct fonts, because without them you may notice that Acrobat displays your text as boxes or even reverses the letters, which we certainly don't want. Next, let's enable right-to-left language support in Acrobat. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the top menu, click on Edit, then head over to Preferences and choose Language. Look for the application language settings and select the right-to-left language options if they are available. If your system already supports Arabic, you can also choose Match Windows Language, which will automatically sync with your system settings. Don't forget to restart Acrobat after making these changes to ensure that the new settings are applied. Now that we've got the fonts and language settings sorted, we can move on to using the Edit PDF tool to type in Arabic. To do this, navigate to Tools in Acrobat and select Edit PDF. Once there, click on the Add Text option, which can be identified by the T icon. Click anywhere in the PDF where you'd like to add your Arabic text. Before you start typing, make sure to switch your keyboard to Arabic mode. If you're using Windows, you can do this by pressing Alt and Shift together or simply using the language bar. Once this setup is complete, start typing. Your text should appear in Arabic and naturally flow from right to left. However, if you notice that the Arabic letters appear disconnected or reversed, don't worry, this is an easy fix. Select the problematic text, right-click, navigate to Paragraph Direction, and choose Right to Left. It's also important to ensure that the font you selected supports Arabic script, as an unsupported font can cause issues with how the text appears. If you're still facing difficulties with typing Arabic directly in Acrobat, there is an alternative method. Start by typing your Arabic text in a program that supports right-to-left scripts like MS Word, Notepad, or Google Docs. Once your text is ready, you can simply copy and paste it into the Acrobat document using the Edit PDF tool. Should this paste method affect the formatting, you can export your completed text from Word as a PDF and then insert that page or document into your main PDF. With these steps, you should be well on your way to smoothly integrating Arabic text into your documents using Adobe Acrobat. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your projects.